This is day 15 to 30 of Learning to Draw in 30 Days by Marc Brunet. I did day 15 to 30 faster than expected, although it started to become a little bit complicated. Started with basic shapes and learned to manipulate them. Then learned vanishing points and perspective views. The exercises on perspective was really interesting, and if I had to say, day 24 and day 27 were the hardest for me. Doing 2 and 3 point perspective was really cool, but it also hurt my brain trying to think of everything in 3D. But since it was really interesting to me, I'll be pursuing more studies on perspective. Well, at least in the future. I imagine it's not going to be easy as there are 1, 2, 3, 4 point perspectives, fisheye view, and a lot more. Then of course, every object in the drawing will have its own angle and own vanishing point in respect to the perspective you are drawing. I'm amazed how long I've come, drawing only a few minutes to a few hours a day for a few months since January this year. Even having a hard time finishing this 30-day exercise in 4 months. All in all, I have to say, this 30-day exercise was really helpful to me and to anyone starting to draw. I'll put down the link to this 30-day exercise and to Marc Brunet's channel. Go check him out. I hope this inspires anyone wanting to draw or wanting to start something they're passionate about. What's important is to start and be consistent. I've put a short clip of how I drew the maze on day 27. I hope you like it. I continue my art journey on this channel, and if you like drawing or this type of content, then I'd appreciate it if you'd like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Till next time.